Hey everybody, this is Charleen Davis coming to you with a new video on May 2nd. And for those of you that don't know me, I live in Wisconsin. I have a family, married, two daughters, 10 and 16. And I've been online for a little bit over a year and never really had any success until recently when I discovered the Power Lead system. And today I want to talk about how you can earn, $100 a day consistently, even as a new online marketer. Sometimes when you get online, there's a lot of things to learn, and sometimes we have trouble kind of connecting all the dots and putting it all together. And that's one of the reasons that I really like this program, is that they do a really great job of teaching us how to generate traffic through our funnels. So let's talk about, as a new person, how you can make $100 a day in a very short period of time. Now, I've been with this program only 3 or 4 weeks, really promoting it heavily. So I signed up a couple of months ago, but I didn't really do anything with it until I started talking with others and really understanding what it is that I had here. So what I want to do is share with you a little bit about some of my results within the last 3 or 4 weeks and how I'm doing with that. So with getting started, I want to show you just a little bit about my back office, and it's super easy to get set up. We have a program in place where when you get started, you can come on as a gold affiliate, and your funnel can be just set up within a matter of 5 or 10 minutes, and you can be driving traffic to that within 30 minutes. Very, very quick and easy. If you need help with that, that is something that I can certainly help you get set up as well. And just a little bit about my results here for the last couple of weeks. As most of you know, if you're in online marketing, leads and generating traffic is where it's at. You have to be showing people your offer. And we do that through free marketing along with paid marketing. So these are the leads that I've generated since the beginning of April. And you can see on April 5th, I had 75 new leads come in, 70 leads on the 6th, another 100 on the 12th, 100 on the 13th, and so on and so forth. So that is 3, 4, 5, 7 or 800 leads just in the month of April. But what I want to show you is the signups that go along with that. So here I'm searching all the gold members that have come into my business since the beginning of April. A gold member is someone who has decided to join us as an affiliate. The affiliate fee is $53.97 a month, but as long as they remain an affiliate, you receive a residual commission of $20 per month each month that they remain a member. So this is where the residual income comes in. So in the month of April, I've had 2, 5, 6, 7, 11, about 22 new gold members. And I also want to make mention to you that this is all cold traffic. These are not people that I know. So I have 22 new people that have joined my team, and each month they will pay me a residual income of $20. So it's very quickly that you can get up to $100 per day when these gold members are now out promoting their new business and getting their own gold members. So you can see really quickly that these add up. We also have another program, or 2 other programs. You can promote past the gold and become a diamond member, and that's a one-time fee. And now you can start to earn $100 commissions. And then also at our platinum level, you can start earning $400 commissions. So right now, you know, I've only been doing this a few weeks, and I'm well on my way to the point where I will be earning $100 a day very, very soon based on the gold signups that you can see. Today was payday. And so in my back office here, they pay every Wednesday. And they pay on time. You know, again, I've only had a couple of commissions with them because in the beginning, you're setting the foundation for your business. You're generating leads and you're building your list. So in building your list, that's where the money comes in. People don't always get started right away. So we have an autoresponder program that's built into the Power Lead system that automatically sends out emails for you to keep talking to the people that are in your contact list. And eventually those people, some of those people will come on board as a gold member, a diamond member, or a platinum member. And so the bigger your list, you keep blasting your list, keep sending out the emails, which are all done for you. That is how you build your income a little bit faster. So if I go back into my, contacts, I can see, I haven't even looked at this recently. I can see that I have since March 1,300 new contacts that are on my list that get my emails every day or every couple of days when I send them out. The other thing that we do as well is we want to make sure that our new contacts get information about our team, how the community works, and we have a Sunday training, a Wednesday training, and a Thursday training that we can invite folks to, and they can see firsthand how the system works. They can talk to others. They can see results that other people are having to make an educated decision to join our team. Now, if this is you and you want to get more information, you know, please reach out to me and let me know. My contact information is listed below this video. You can reach me either by Facebook, email, you can send me a text, any of those means, and just ask some questions and I'll get you hooked up with some more information. So at the beginning, again, you're building your foundation and building your list. But the quicker that you build your list, the quicker those $100 days will come. And those eventually turn into $500 days, you know, 90 days, 120 days out once you get your foundation set. So with that, you know, please reach out to me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you soon. And here's to your success in 2018. Have a great day, everyone.